Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a fun unboxing of our November Lush subscription box. Very fun times. It's the in-between month, the spooky season is gone. It's always spooky season though in this house, but spooky decorations are gone. Christmas will be going up soon and we'll be doing some Christmas content as well, which is always fun. But we're going to unbox our Lush subscription box this month for November. In this video, I'm going to be going through everything that's in the box for the surprise. I do not know what's in this box. I've only just opened the box, so I don't have to spend time doing that on camera. And I don't know what's in it. I haven't looked. It's actually facing away from me right now, so I can't even see inside of it. And then I will go through ingredients. We will go through what everything is. What was a community pick? What was a community pick being what we voted for on the menu, what was an exclusive for the box that was the surprise for the box, and also what's on the menu and what I voted for on the menu as well. So I'm very excited to get into this box, but just before I get into this box, this look is not filmed. I'm literally straight in from work, sat down and started filming this video. So she's not fully done up. She just fixed her face a little bit, that's all. But if you do want to see a little bit more content, especially coming up around this time of year, I will be posting my box up on the Instagram stories, so go follow my Instagram down below, what I got in my subscription box. And also in December I'll be opening 3 different advent calendars, one being the Lush one, so if you're a Lushy, check that out every day-ish. If I'm in my boyfriend's house, I'll double up days. I've also got Cult Beauty and Look Fantastic to unbox as well, so go follow me on Instagram for that. So before we get into any more rambling, let me get into diving into this box. So here is our gorgeous box. She smells spicy, which I like. We've got this card here, which gives a description of things that are in it, like the kind of story behind the box. So we're not going to read that. I'm going to pop that to the side for now. Oh, we got stickers. That's cute. Kind of autumn flowers, cozy. I feel like this is going to be a cozy kind of box, but that is our stickers here. They're very cute. I'll stick them somewhere. I don't know where. And then we've got this page here, which I'm not going to read because this has all the ingredients on it, so we don't want to read that. So this is our box. Let me start diving in. Feel product bath bomb. I think feels like a bath bomb. Yes, I voted for this. Oh my god, yes. So happy we got this. I was really hoping everyone else voted for this so we could get this. This is our gorgeous bath bomb here. I cannot remember the name of it, but I will find out once we go through the ingredients. She's got a bit of sparkle on her though. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? But it's like a flame. It's cinder scented. That's what's spicy. It smells like cinders. Oh my god. If you don't know what cinders is, it's basically this like really warm, spicy kind of almond scent. Just really warm and cozy smell. Oh my god. And cinders was like a really small little bath bomb. Kind of a cinnamon sort of smell as well. Small bath bomb like butterball. And it was like this kind of yellowy colour with loads and it's full of popping candy. So it crackled in your bath as well. Came out at Christmas one year and I literally bought about 20 of them. I kept going in and buying one because I didn't want to run out. Oh my god, that smells beautiful. Okay, this box is already a winner for that one. She's already won. Let's dive again. I feel a bottle. Oh, I think this was on the menu. I feel like I noticed this. This is Tai. I'm not sure. It's a shower gel. It says here enzymic fresh citrus combines with enlivening ginger and cinnamon for seriously brightening lathers. It's so bright. Look at that. It's almost like neon. This is beautiful. This has got in it ginger root infusion, fresh tangerine juice, cinnamon leaf oil, Brazilian orange oil, and I think that's all, kind of. Well, there's other ingredients in it, but that's not what the smell is. So it's supposed to have citrus, ginger, and some. Not a huge fan of ginger. Or is it clove? No, it's clove. I don't really like. Ooh. Oh, she's nice. It's like a spicy orange. Oh, I like that now. I do like that. Is it my favourite smell in the whole world? No, but oh, I could get on board with that for this time of year. Oh, that's beautiful. It's fresh still, but it's just got that little bit of spice in it, that little bit of warmth in it. That's very nice. And if you don't know, these stickers here tell you who made it, when it was made, and also underneath the sticker, if you peel it back, it has a little saying or something fun on anything that's in packaging. So mine was made by Ben, so thank you, Ben. Let me just peel this back and see what it says. It always takes a while, so let me just do this off camera. So this one says, let's get spicy. Ooh, we like that. This is definitely a warm and cozy kind of bath. We're gonna dive in again. I feel a small box. I feel a perfume. I think this is a small perfume. because I recognize these boxes. What is it? It's in a box and I don't know. So I don't know. Let's see. Oh, came out backwards, so I still can't see it. You can probably see it though. Oh, it's Yognog. Ooh, yes. So Yognog is very, like, it smells like cake. It smells like toffee, real, like, sweet bakery kind of, like a really luscious cake. Ooh, let's have a spritz. Yes, definitely Yognog, but with a perfume element to it as well. I wonder when it settles, will it just go into straight Yognog? It's just a really luscious smell. Like, it's not going to be for everyone, and it's probably not going to be for an everyday kind of gal, but every now and again when I want to feel a little bit warm and cozy. I think I'm going to say warm and cozy a lot in this video, by the way. Okay, we're going back in. Oh, I feel another product. What is this? Oh, it's Golden Pear. Is this the body scrub? Oh, Golden Pear is so nice. It's so sweet and fruity. It's kind of got this like creaminess to it, though. I don't know what it is about it. It just smells really, it smells like pear. Just smells like pear, but this is like a gold sparkly pear. She's cute. Oh yeah, but I don't know, is this a bubble bar? It looks like a bubble bar, but I know that they did a scrub like this. I'm pretty sure I still have it actually in the advent calendar last year, but very nice. We're going a very gold and orange kind of theme here. We're going back in. So far I've got 4 products, so this could be the last one. I'll just double check them. This is a tub. It is, oh, it's a Yognog. It's a body conditioner. If you don't know what body conditioner is, it's essentially like you get into the shower or bath. I usually use it in the bath as well, but get into the shower, wash yourself, like do your shower gels and your scrubs and all those kind of things, and then just step out of the water slightly, or if you're in the bath, just like lift your, I usually do it on my arms and legs anyway, I don't really usually do it everywhere, but like get out of the water basically, not fully out of the water, but like, you know, just generally step away from the water, and then on your wet body, rub a little bit of this, let it sit for a second, and then jump back into the shower, rinse, and then out of the bath you get, or the shower, and pat yourself dry, and you're moisturized. You don't need to do a body lotion. It's so handy and quick and just so nice. It just saves you the effort of, you know, when you get out of the shower, you get out of the bath, you're kind of tired. I'm usually tired of getting out of the bath because I'm after washing everything and doing all that kind of stuff, that I don't want to have to go through the effort of putting a body lotion on, but this saves me the hassle. But this is the Yognog one. Now I will say Yognog is not my favorite scent family in the world, and I am kind of like the way people are with Snow Fairy, where you're like, really more Yognog. I'm kind of getting like that now, so I probably would have liked something different. A Cinders one I would have really liked, but I get it. For the box, I get the theme. So this says, slip into a skin softening shower for a warm embrace of clove bud oil, heady ylang ylang and maple syrup water. And this one will also have one of these. This is also made by Ben. So let's read what's under the sticker. This one says, after dinner treats. So in this one here, you've got maple syrup water, almond oil, fresh trade shea butter. You've got fresh trade organic cocoa butter, oat kernel oil. Ooh, that's new. Illipi butter, clove bud oil, ylang ylang oil, and I think that is it. But let's have a sniff. And they're usually very thick, so they're not normal body lotions. Don't use them like that because they don't spread that easy unless they're on wet skin. Oh yeah, this just smells like pure Yognog, but creamier. Oh yeah, like she's not moving. I'm taking a risk here, but she ain't moving. So that's that one. As I said, I'm not sick of Yognog, but you know what I mean? I'm getting to the point where I'm like, okay, there could be something else, even if it is a cakey, sweet kind of smell. So we've got 5 items here. You usually get 5 items unless they throw in an extra here or there. It's a special kind of box. So I'm just going to do another dive into the box and then I'll come back and let you know if I got anything else. Okay, couldn't find anything else in the box. So we're going to go through this page here, which has all of our lovely ingredients on it. And we'll just go through the ones that don't have any products on them. So we're going to go through the bath bomb, bubble bar, I think it's a bubble bar, and the perfume is Yognog scent, so it's the same as the other bits, but let's go through those. So we've got Fireball bath bomb. This has got almond essential oil, Brazilian orange oil, cinnamon leaf oil, zeolite clay, cream of tartar, popping candy. Oh, it's gonna be so like Cinders. I'm gonna be so happy with this. Mustard powder, cornstarch, and I think that is all. And then you've got the Golden Pear. It's a body scrub. It's the body scrub. It's a little bit like, it feels like it's gonna be a bit more moisturizing because it's like a thicker kind of consistency, not a real like gritty kind of consistency. So this has got fine sea salt, fair trade organic cocoa butter, popping candy, cupachu butter, cream of tartar, pear powder, organic jojoba oil, coarse sea salt, cardamom oil, Brazilian orange oil, sandalwood oil, prickly pear oil, And that is all. That's a lot of stuff in that one. Wow. I do think I have one of those body scrubs already, so I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. So I'm going to read this little card here. It's very like bright when it's hitting the lights. But anyway, it says, indulge in cozy delights, nestle yourself in comforting scents and luscious lathers, relax in fireballs, warm and spicy cinnamon leaf, Thai's fresh ginger infusion, golden pears exfoliating sea salt, and Yognog's softening shea butter. Seal it all off with an intoxicating creme brulee fragrance to take your relaxation to new heights. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let November's exclusive products cloak you in a warm, loving embrace. Very cute, very warm and cozy. I like this box. And then when you scan the QR code that's on that little card, you get brought to this, which is like a little story, and it just tells you basically what was a community pick and what was a exclusive. It might give you a bit of information. It tells you how things were made as well. So the Fireball Bath Bomb was a community pick. The Golden Pear Body Scrub was also a community pick. The Thai Shower Gel was a community pick. The Yognog Body Conditioner was a community pick. And the Yognog Perfume was the kitchen exclusive. So sometimes they do 2 exclusives and then they do the rest as the community picks. Sometimes they've done whole boxes of just community picks. And it just kind of depends on the month. It might depend on how many votes things get. It all just depends on that. Okay, so now I'm going to scooch over this way and we're going to pop up the menu. Okay, so this is our menu for the month. This was what was on the menu. So let me go through everything that was on it and also things that I did vote for. So to start off, we've got Spice Curls soap. I did not vote for this because I don't use soap that often. It kind of just gets put in the bathroom. I don't use it like to wash myself. I use shower gels more than that. And I have a lot of them, so I don't need another one, so I didn't vote for that. We've got the Golden Pear Body Scrub, which I didn't vote for because one, I don't use the solid body scrubs as much. I could actually crush them up and use them that way because they're a bit easier that way, but I also think I have it. I'm pretty sure I do have one already, so I didn't need another one. Then we've got the Yognog Body Conditioner, which I didn't vote for because, again, as I said, Yognog is just getting to be like much. There's a lot of it, but that's fine. Then we've got the Phoenix Bubble Bar, which I did vote for one of the things was it looked like a toasted marshmallow, which I like that. And it's just also very interested. I wasn't sure if I remember there was a Phoenix Bubble Bar before and what it smelled like, but I was curious and I like all the bath stuff, so I voted for that one. Then I obviously voted for Fireball Bath Bomb. If you know me, you know I love my bath bombs and I will always vote for my bath bombs no matter what they are, unless it's the Christmas sweater bath bomb. That is my least favorite bath bomb ever. But this I had to vote for it and it looks cute, and now that I know it's cinder scented, absolutely. Like this needs to come out like at Christmas every year. Or just bring cinders back. I mean, either one. And then we've got the Thai shower gel. I did vote for this because I do like a shower gel. I'm very happy it's only a small one because I have a lot of them. They're taking over my bathroom, which is a good complaint, but also I have no space. So whenever me and my boyfriend get our own house, he is going to be shocked at how much shower gel we have to use. So that is our menu. That is everything I voted for. And yeah, didn't vote for a lot, but I voted for enough, if that makes sense. Didn't vote for a lot in December either, so I'm excited to see if there's any extra surprises in that box. Let me scoochy back over here. So let's rank the things, because I've been doing that in the last few videos and I think it's actually quite fun. So what do I have as my least favorite? So coming in at number 5, I think is going to be the Golden Pear Body Scrub for 2 reasons. 1, don't use solid body scrubs that often. I don't usually gravitate towards them unless they're super special. This, I love the scent. I think it's going to be beautiful, but I think I have it already, so that's just going to be my least favorite. Next, then I'm going to say the Yognog perfume, only because I sometimes forget about perfumes. I'm actually more likely to use a body conditioner than a perfume, but also it's Yognog scented. If this is cinder scented, this would have been like number 1, absolutely. But that's it. It's not like I don't like it. I do like it. Like, as it settles in my hand, I'm liking it even more, but that's just where it falls on the list. Then I'm going to go in with a Yognog body conditioner because I love a body conditioner. I do love me a good body conditioner, so I usually gravitate towards body conditioners even over like body lotion sometimes. It's just the ease of it. I just love it. So he's number 3. Again, if that was cinder scented, I would have jumped that up to number 2. Then we're going to go in with Thai shower gel because we all know why number 1 is number 1 for 2 reasons. 1, it smells like cinders, and number 2, it's a bath bomb. But this is going to be number 2 because I am very likely to use this. I really, really like the smell because it's a new smell for me. And then coming in at number 1 for the 2 reasons I mentioned already, we're going to go with Fireball Bath Bomb because she's a bath bomb and she smells like cinders, and that's all I want in my life. Yep, she's beautiful. She's glorious. If you did get this box, let me know if you like cinders, because if you didn't, I'll take that one off you, please. Okay, so as I said, I want to know down in the comments below what you think of this box. Is this your perfect box? Are you a Yog Nog stan? If not, are you kind of like me? We're kind of like, yeah, I really like the box because there's things in this box I really, really, really love. But there's also things in it that I'm like, eh. You know what I mean? That's kind of my vibe for the box. Not my favorite box in the whole world, because everything in it is not my favorite. I've had way better boxes before, but not my worst box in the world either. I really like this box. I want to know what you think. What did you vote for in the menu? What would you have voted for in the menu if you do subscribe to it? What is your favorite thing from your box? Have you used any of the stuff already? And let me know how it works yet, because I obviously haven't yet. I've just unboxed it. If you did like this video, give me a big thumbs up down below. It's the quickest, simplest and easiest way to give me a little bit of support, to get me around to more people, and also let me know that you like the video, and I will continue to do many more. Also hit subscribe down below to see many more things coming up. We've got more Lush things. We've also got a Lush Christmas haul coming up soon. Yeah, that's coming up soon. We've got some holiday content happening soon. I don't know what it's going to be yet because I haven't planned it yet. But if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments as well what you'd like to see coming up for December for the holiday season. And as I said in the beginning, my TikTok and Instagram are linked down below. And on my Instagram, I will be unboxing my Lush advent calendar. So get ready for that by following me on there. And I think that is everything for me, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.